Once upon a time, in a small village nestled between lush green hills, there lived a wise and generous man named Hamza. He was known throughout the village for his kind heart and unwavering faith in Allah. Hamza always believed in the power of prayer and the strength that came from relying on Allah. During one cold winter, the village was struck by a terrible drought. The crops withered and the water wells ran dry. The villagers were fearful and unsure of how they would survive. The elders gathered and discussed the situation, but hope seemed to be dwindling. Hamza, with his deep belief in Allah's mercy, stood up and addressed the villagers. "Do not despair, my brethren." He spoke with a voice full of conviction. "Allah is with us at all times, testing our patience and faith. We must come together in prayer and seek His guidance and assistance." Inspired by Hamza's faith, the villagers gathered in the mosque. Men, women, and children stood shoulder to shoulder and prayed fervently for relief from the drought. Hamza led the prayer, his voice rising above the silence, beseeching Allah for His mercy. As days passed, the villagers continued their prayers, performing salah and begging Allah in their du'as with unwavering faith. Hamza reminded them to maintain their patience and trust in Allah's plan. One morning, as Hamza stepped outside his house, he felt a gentle breeze. The clouds had gathered in the sky, and soon the first drops of rain began to fall. The dry land soaked up the blessed water, and the villagers rejoiced, praising Allah for His mercy. The crops began to flourish once more, the wells filled up, and life returned to normal. The villagers celebrated, expressing gratitude to Allah for responding to their prayers and for the lesson in faith. Years later, Hamza would recount this tale to the children of the village, reminding them of the power of faith and prayer. When you hold fast to your faith and trust Allah, He will provide and guide you through even the darkest times, he would say. The story of Hamza and his village became a timeless lesson about the importance of faith, patience, and prayer.